2. We had a teacher who was infamous for not letting you go to the bathroom no matter what. I mean so much so that if you accidentally started your period in class, she'd make you wait. This actually happened. So there was a girl who we'll call Katie in class who tended to be a bit of a troublemaker. Katie hated that teacher, because she'd beg to go to the bathroom and got shut down every time. At the end of the year Katie asked one more time to go to the bathroom. The teacher said no. Katie asked another time 5 minutes later. The teacher said no again. 5 minutes after that, Katie asked again, but said that the teacher was not going to like what happened if the teacher didn't let her go. The teacher slammed the desk and said that if she said one more thing, Katie would be sent to the principal. Katie shrugged and said, "This is on you then," and pissed on her seat right where she was.